Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek R1 AI for beginners. Now, the first thing that you should do is to go and search for DeepSeek on your Play Store. And once you search for it, you should download the application. And once you download it, you should go and open it on your phone. And now you have to click on agree. Then it will ask you to log in using your email account. So in my case, I'll click on sign in with Google. And now you should solve this puzzle. Then sign in using your account. And once you open it, you will find this interface. You can simply type here any question in the chat. Let's say that I will type how long is Great Wall of China, for example. Then click on this arrow right here. It will just take a couple of seconds and give you the accurate answer like this. And now let's say that you want to create a new chat. You can simply click on new chat right here or click on the top right corner on this sign right here. So now I have created a new chat. And now let's say that I want to search for something in the internet itself or in the browser. So I needed to search in the browser. So you just have to click on this icon or this button right here. And this is necessary when you're trying to search for updated things like the price of euro to dollar or the price of gold for today. So now I will ask it how much is $50 to euros today. In some cases, it may not actually find any results, but let's ask it a simpler question. Let's say best accounting websites, then search for it. It will now search through the internet itself. So here it shows me many options, as you can see. Now let's say that you want to navigate between chats. So in this chat right here, I asked it about something and I want to go to the previous chat in order to get the previous answer or something like that. You should click on this sign on the top left corner, then choose anything that you actually need. I can simply click on this one right here. This is the chat that we have created in the beginning of the video. And now if you want to use DeepThink R1, you can simply click on this option right here. And this is actually like the premium version of this AI, but you can first try it for free. Now, when you click on this plus sign right here, you can add an image, you can take a photo of your phone, you can add also a document. And that's all for today. This is how you can actually use DeepSeek AI. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.